ng sila yan, oh. Ayan. Asan na si Kuya? Gagayin niya eh. Ayan, oh. Kaya mo yan, Kuya. Woo! Ayan, oh. Ang cute. Yay! Ang cute ng sila yun. Welcome back to our channel. Our video for today, we are here in Ocean Adventure in Subic Bay. So we gotta tour you. We gotta see the dolphins. Let's go! Pasok nyo nga mga bakulaw, ayan ang makikita nyo. Tara, tour na tayo dito. So madaming dolphins dito, kaya dito kami para ang mga bata ay mag-enjoy. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Pagpasok nyo pala ngayon na ang mga makikita nyo dyan. Ayan. Ayan mga bakulaw, ang binayaran namin ay 4,450. Tama ba, baby?
4,540, but it's
4,540 pala. Sorry. So, ayun, kami, 3 bata, 3 matanda ang aming binayaran dito. So, ayun, tara. Ayan na nga, madami namang kainan dito. Ay, ayun nga pala mga bakulaw, bawal lang magdala ng pagkain. Pero mga dede or bottle, pwede. I mean, mga tubig, pwede. Pero pagkain, bawal talaga. Mga bakulaw, kung gusto nyo bumisita dito, pumunta na kayo. Napakaganda. Tara, maglibot-libot pa tayo, syempre. So, ang show ng dolphins ay 11:45 a.m. dito sa Philippines. So, ayan, excited na. Ayan, dito gaganapin yung dolphin show. Ayan, oh. Napaka, dito, ang ganda. Napaka tahimik. Ayan. So, dito yan sa may Ocean Adventure Park here in Subic. So, sa Olongapo. Maggala-gala tayo. Ang laki ng nila dito. Pwesto. I mean, ang laki ng place. Ganon. Tapos, ayan, tignan nyo. Madaming pagkainan dito, ha. Malamig siya sa loob. Tapos, ayan nga. May shark din dito. Ayan, makikita natin later. Kasi 11:45 pa yung show nila. Ayan, maganda. Ayan, malaki siya. Ayan, super enet lang, pero laban tayo. Mag-show mamaya ang dolphin. Ayan, ayokong lumapit kasi may shark din dito. So, makikita natin siya dan mamaya pagka nag-start na ang show. So, eto siya. Ayan! Oh. Hindi ako masyado nalapit. Baka makita ako. Kainin ako lang shark. Ay, yun yung dolphin. Ayun, nakita ko na. Nakita ko yung dolphin. Ayun, ayun. Kita ba? Nandun siya. Nakita ko. Ayun, ayun yung mga dolphins.
Last but not the least, we have our male bottlenose dolphin, and his name is Enzo. Enzo? Funny, right?
Ayan ang dolphin.
For dolphins, their tail flukes that powers them through the water. It actually moves up and down and not side.
Ayan o. Wow.
Alright. Now that blowhole has a lid that opens and closes.
Dito ngayon, ayan, sobra. At may nanonood kami ng dolphin show dito. Oh, wow. Look at that, oh. Ayan sila. Ayan.
Those fins are what we call the pectoral. Ladies and gentlemen, they actually jump up in the air. Alright, come on, guys. Just like that. Good job.
Wow.
Okay, now this time, what the dolphins do.
Ayan, wow.
Look at this, folks. Well, they do the most amazing acrobatic areas.
Wow.
And as you see today, these dolphins are streamlined and built for speed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have a question for you. Do you know Michael Phelps? Do you know him?
Ang daming tao dito. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Nanonood kami ng dolphin show.
And hit!
Ayan. Go! Wow, ang bilis, oh. Oh, wow.
Look at that. That was really fast.
Yeah,
Oh, wait.
bilis. Sobra.
There's more. Get ready for the most amazing feature. So guys, show them!
Yay! Woo!
You see that? I told you they can walk around. Well, folks, I believe that deserves a big round of applause.
Galing! Yay!
You know what, ladies and gentlemen? Let us go down. Be careful.
Ayan, may batang
By the way, I
makiki-join
want
there.
our traders, we have
Ayan,
Trader
tingnan
Yao
natin.
and Trader Jesse.
Ayan, oh.
Alright.
Ayan ang mga dolphin.
There you
Kita
go.
nyo ba? Ayan sila. Ayan, may batang
Okay, now this
makiki-join.
is Enzo or
Tignan
Male
natin.
Dolphin. So let's start. Kneel down.
Oh, wow.
And let's start with a friendly handshake. All you have to do is to
Wow.
grab his
Look at
fins
that.
and give it a good shake. And don't
Ayan
forget
na.
to smile for the camera.
Wow.
Very good. All right, you know
Ayan,
what,
ang
folks?
ating mga
There is a
dolphins.
little secret about dolphins. They're very ticklish.
Wow.
And we are going to show you what will happen if he tickles Enzo. Come on, tickle him.
Galing.
Tickle those fins.
Ah,
Let's see
cute,
what will happen.
Yeah.
Ticklish, right?
Ang cute.
Very cute.
Yeah.
Okay,
Wow, that's
now
so
that you
good.
are best friends, let's play a little game. Well, Trey.
So, nagtalo na nga ang mga dolphin. Ayan, nakakatuwa sila pag masdan. Kahit dito sa may UAE, nung nanood kami ng dolphin show, tuwan-tuwa din ako. Ang cute kasi, tignan nyo, dapat talaga marunong ka lumangoy pagka ikaw ay trainer ng mga dolphins. Kasi kung hindi, ay! Paktay tayo diyan, lunod ka dyan. So, ayan, ang cute nila kuya, di ba? Tapos yung mga dolphin talaga namang sumusunod sila na para silang mga tao. Ano daw? So, ayun nga mga bakulo. Nakakatuwa. Kung mapunta kayo dito sa may Ocean Adventure, manood kayo. Sulit yung panonood nyo kahit mainit. Grabe, ang cute nila.
Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause for Trainer Yao, Trainer Jesse, together with Enzo and Nala.
Wow.
And as you see today, these dolphins are quick, agile, strong.
At dito nga, ayan, tignan nyo, pakitang gilas na talaga ang mga dolphin. Ayan, tatalong pa yan sila. Woo! O, diba? Ang saya-saya manood dito. So, ayan, puntahan nyo tong Ocean Adventure at makikita nyo sila. Grabe, nakakatuwang manood nito at nakaka-relax. Ganyan, pakitang gilas naman talaga ang mga dolphin natin dyan. Ang cute talaga. Ayan, tignan nyo, nasayaw sila talaga dyan at saka nakikinig sila. Kaya lang, bibigyan nyo sila ng madaming isda, syempre, kasi yun ang kinakain nila. Pang-utuba. So, ayan, ang cute. Nood na kayo dito sa may Ocean Adventure sa may Subic Bay. Dolphin. Mga dolphin! Yay! Woo! Nakakatuwa! Yay! Ang saya-saya! Ang saya manood dito! Grabe! Woo! Woo! Wow! Katuwa! Ang cute! Ayan Yay! Diba? Ayan sila Woo! Wow! Ang galing, nakakatuwa. Yay!
Can you see a shadow in the water? That is a trevally. They're native to this part of the... Oh, no, that's a black-tip shark. Black-tip shark. Oh, no! Don't think I'll swim in there. And what's this? It is another black-tip shark. Hello, Mr. Shark. Oh, no! What are you looking to eat today? Oh, and here... Wow, there's 3 of them. Oh, dear. The sharks think I'm lunch. Look at this one on the surface. You see the tip on the back of his dorsal fin? It's black. That's why it's called black tip shark.
No!
Oh, here we have what they call the evolution of diving. How he seemed to have just a bucket on his head, but he could breathe in it. There was one there where they sealed them in a cask, airtight in a cask, and they've sort of moved along to what we know today. Scuba divers, self-contained underwater breathing apparatus. They have an aquarium here too, and there's like a lobster in the far corner over at the back. Hello, fishies. It's nice and cool in here, out the sunlight for sure. Hey look, sea lion. He's bigger than you think, isn't he? And you can tell the males because they've got like a, you know, like lions have like a beard or a mane. Tell you what, if you're a penguin and that's coming towards you, you'd be scared. They eat penguins. Hello. Yeah, it's got like a mane like a lion does. But basically they're carnivores. They like anything that's meaty or fishy. and that's a female and a male. Swimming upside down is the lady, always. And here he is. Oh, look at that. You can see his testicles there, hanging down. And it's a very small pool for them. And if you look on the bottom, which I'll show you in a minute, when he's finished coming here, she keeps swimming upside down. I wonder if it's like mating for him. No idea. But at the bottom of the pool is the tahe. And they poop, because they're mammals, they poop like mammals. Not like fish. Hello, sir. Hello. Oh, he's looking at me. Oh, he's got little ears. Look, and there's his testicles at the back. Out of harm's way.
Ayan, dito naman tayo ngayon sa Sea Lion. Ayan. Na-late kami. Akala ko mamaya pa. Ayan ang Sea Lion. Oh. Sea Lion naman tayo. Ayan. Oh, di ba? Kikita niyo ba yung Sea Lion? Ayan yung Sea Lion. Gagayahin daw. Ayan yung Sea Lion. Ayan, nakita nyo? Ayan siya. Ay! Wow! Wow, nakakatuwa. Ayan. Ayan, gagayahin ni Kuya eh. Gagayahin daw ni Kuya. Ayan. Wow! Yay! Ang cute! Nakakatuwa. Ayan o. Oh, diba? Gagayahin ni Kuya. Gagayahin daw ni Kuya. Ayan, ayan na si Kuya. Gagayahin niya kasi. Yay! Ayan. Oh no! Ayan, pinapagaya kasi kay Kuya yung ginagawa ng Sea Lion. Oh wow! Yay! Oh, galing ni Kuya! Ayan yung Sea Lion. Oh, diba? Ang cute, nakakatuwa. So, Sea Lion naman tayo. Yay! Wow! Ang cute ng Sea Lion, oh. Ayan. Asan na si Kuya? Gagayahin niya eh. Ayan, oh. Kaya mo yan, Kuya! Woo! Ayan, oh. Ang cute! Yay! Ang cute ng Sea Lion. Yun lang mga bakulaw ang vlog natin dito sa showing ng dolphins at Sea Lion pala. So hope you like this video and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please hit the bell hit the bell button also. You will get all update to our videos. Bye mga bakulaw. God bless to everyone. Much love. Thanks for watching. Bye! Thank you mga bakulaw.